Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SunTrust card to Zelle for fast transfers, full guide step by step clearly. To connect your SunTrust card to Zelle for fast transfers, start by accessing your banking app. Ensure you have the latest version of the SunTrust app installed on your device. Open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section of the app. Look for the Zelle option within that section. If you do not see Zelle, check the app's main menu or settings for transfer options. Select the Zelle feature to begin the setup process. You may be prompted to read and accept the terms of service. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your SunTrust card to Zelle. You will likely need to enter your email address or mobile number associated with Zelle. Once entered, you may receive a verification code via SMS or email. Enter that code into the app to proceed. Now, select the funding source for your Zelle transactions. Choose your SunTrust card as the preferred funding source. Confirm your selection and complete the linking process. After successfully connecting your card, you can begin sending and receiving money through Zelle. To send money, navigate back to the Zelle section of the app. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Input the amount you wish to send and any optional message. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming. Once confirmed, your transfer should process quickly. You will receive a notification confirming the transaction has been sent. To check your transfer history, revisit the Zelle section in the app. Here, you can view past transactions and their statuses. If you encounter any issues, consult the help resources available within the app. You can also contact SunTrust customer support for further assistance. With these steps, you are now ready to make fast transfers using Zelle and your SunTrust card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.